Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session and cause number M331947. Case is filed in the state of Texas versus Brittany Maxson. Ms. Maxson is present in court. Now, Ms. Maxson, you're represented by your attorney, Thomas J. Burbank. Mr. Burbank is not here. He has, we've been in contact with his office. He was supposed to appear by Zoom. He may be in a hearing, but these are just some bond conditions. Since you're out on bond, the court has authority to give bond conditions in cases that's in this court. Now, your choice is an unlawfully carrying a weapon case. And so the document that you have before you is titled Standard Bond Conditions in County Court at Law number 2. Do you see that title?
Yes, sir.
And I will go over this document, which it says, following the return of a criminal information in County Court at Law number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, all bail bonds executed for release of any defendant named herein are ordered subject to the additional conditions. Number 1, the defendant shall commit no offense against the laws of this state, any other state or of the United States. Do you understand that condition? Condition number 2, the defendant shall submit to testing for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. The court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who A, refuses to submit to a test for drugs and alcohol when directed to do so by the court, or B, submit to a test for drugs and alcohol, and the test indicates the presence of drugs and alcohol in the defendant's body, and that's pursuant to the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 17.44, Section A2 and Section C2. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Now, condition number 3 doesn't apply, and condition number 4 doesn't apply. However, condition number 5 on the next page does apply, and said, condition number 5 reads as follows: the defendant is prohibited from possessing a firearm or ammunition unless defendant is a peace officer as defined by Section 1.07 Penal Code, actively engaged in employment as a sworn full-time paid employee of the state agency or political subdivision. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you violate any one of these conditions that I've just read, your bond can be revoked, and if your bond is revoked, a warrant will be issued for your arrest and you'll be placed in the Jefferson County Jail. Now, these conditions that I've given to you are effective immediately, and I noticed that this case was transferred over here from County Court number 3, and so there weren't bond conditions, so we added bond conditions in this case. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right. You're going to stand in front of our court coordinator. Your case is going to be reset. Once your case is reset, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day, and thanks for being patient with us.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And stay in contact with your attorney. All right. And bondsman. All right. This will conclude the calling of the court's announcement docket scheduled for 9 a.m. on today's date. In County Court at Law number 2, Judge Terrence L. Holmes presiding. Everyone, please have a blessed day